Hello and welcome back to our Diversity Buds Dialogue series. Let's begin this day 5 with a simple reflection. Can you think back to a time when you felt you didn't belong? Maybe it was at school, in a social setting, or even a workplace. What did that feel like, emotionally, physically, even socially? Most of us can recall a moment like that. And the memory probably lingers, not because someone shouted or singled us out, but because we felt invisible, judged, or out of place. Now imagine those same feelings in a child, one who hasn't yet developed the tools or vocabulary to explain what's going on. When children don't feel they belong in a classroom, a group, or even within their own family, it affects more than just their mood. It can shape their learning, their confidence, their willingness to speak, and their developing sense of identity. They may not be able to tell us, but the signs are often there. Quiet withdrawal, sudden outbursts, reluctance to join in, oversensitivity, or trying hard not to be noticed. These aren't signs that a child is being difficult, they're signs that something deeper is going on. And that's where our awareness as adults really matters. When we raise our awareness, we're more likely to respond with empathy. When we pause and reflect, we're better able to create safe spaces and opportunities for positive development. And when we show we care, we help rebuild trust, which is essential for a child's growing sense of self. So today's reflection is this: how can we raise our awareness of the signs that a child may not be feeling they belong? And how might we respond in small, meaningful ways? If you've any gentle strategies or stories that have helped a child feel seen, valued, or understood, feel free to share them in the comments. Or simply take a moment today to notice what belonging might look and feel like for the children in your care. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow, where we highlight the importance of self-identity development in children and share practical ways to nurture belonging through everyday interactions. See you there.